Okay, the second main part of limit, you will be asked two types of question. This is like your ABCs of limits. Most of the time, sorry, I have the bad cough. Limit x approaching to number. Okay, cannot see? It's alright. Another one will be, maybe we need to change a bit. Okay, this will be your two main type of question. One is x approaching number. Another one is x approaching infinity. You need to recognize what type of question is it. They have a very different type of doing, different type of steps. You silap pilih steps, you choose the wrong steps, you mampus, you die. Alright, so I'm not kidding you. Recognize which one is which. If we could, we study both today. Well, there's a lot of works going to be. So right now, just let's say today we start with x approaching number. For this type of question, the steps will be number one, try substitute. Actually, both of them are the same. If error, which is most of the time dalam exam error lah, don't worry about that. If error, then only you do another step. It's either factorize or conjugate. Yep, all your old friend is back, the conjugate. Okay, but then again, for this topic, and if why we factorize, where we conjugate, our main idea is to simplify. Okay, nanti I'll show you more examples. You factorize, you conjugate because you want to simplify. You want to simplify. In short, this is also a must. Okay, for this topic, there's a slight difference compared to what you have done before, because you only want to expand conjugate part only. Alright, so let's try x approaching to number first. Okay, let me ask you one more time. If x approaching to number, what should you do? Substitute. Okay, and then if error, most likely this is what will happen in exams lah. If error, then or conjugate. Yeah, write down there. Or factorize or conjugate. If you conjugate, expand, conjugate part only. Why do we factorize? Why do we conjugate? Simplify is a? Let's repeat them again. For x approaching to number, what should you do? Expand. Why do we factorize or conjugate? Simplify is a? One last time. For x approaching the number, what should you do? Why do we factorize? Why do we conjugate? Simplify is a? If you memorize that part, it will save you a lot of marks. Sir, what did we just say just now? Let's try some examples. Example 1. Can you see? So let's try limit P approaching Q Is that someone inside playing? Okay, so let's try this question. So you got yourself P, set P, P minus Q minus 3. Okay, alright. Everything's word is fine. Now, okay, my bad, it's not Q, it's actually 9. My bad, I'm sorry. No, someone write down in the notes, okay? Saya pun tengok ya. So P approaching 9. Okay? 9. Sorry. Okay, if P approaching 9 and we substitute inside, what will happen? We got ourselves, let's say lah, 9 minus 9 over set 9 minus 3, 0 over 0. What is this? Math error. Why? You divide by 0. Math error. Are you okay? So if we got here, we got ourselves into math error. So this is a wrong way of doing things. Understand? Okay, if error, what should we do? Factorize or conjugate. Which one do you think we should do? Why should we conjugate? Because there's third at the square root. There's third at the denominator. So let's try. You conjugate with what? Set P plus 3. Set P plus 3. Okay, for those who forget, let me remind you again how to do conjugate. The clue will be this. A minus B equals A plus B is equals to what? A squared minus B squared. So if set A minus set B conjugate, one moment. Okay, so let's continue. Once we got here, what should we do next? You have conjugate, right? After you conjugate, what should you do? Expand. Which one should we expand? Should we expand atas bawah? Both sides. Okay, this is the conjugate. Where's the partner from? It's from this response. From the deno, okay? This thing here cause these two. Do you agree? So which one is the conjugating part? Bawah, the deno. So which one should we expand? Only the deno, conjugating part. Are you okay? Okay, so conjugate, expand down here, what do you get? Set P become P minus 3 plus 3 9 lah. Are you okay? Set P squared, you got P. 3 squared, you got 9. Are you okay? You want me to explain again? Nak explain angkat tangan? That's a bit tough for you. Try to catch up, man. You're late, not my fault. Okay, so what should we do for the top part? Don't expand them, remain them as it is. P minus 9. Third P plus 3. I need something. Limit. Okay, what can you do now? So you have factorize, you have conjugate. You only expand conjugating part only. So what should you do next? Simplify. Simplify is what? It's a must. Can I simplify things out here? P minus 9, P minus 9, okay? So what happened next? Limit. Oopsie. Third P plus 3. Okay, now let's try to substitute. What will we get? P approaching what? 9, right? 9, 9. So 9 plus 3. Third 9 plus 3. So I get myself. Oh, I missed my equal. Sorry. Equals to 6. And we are done. Okay. We are done. Okay, maybe we need a whistle as well to, you know. Okay, don't worry. I don't have a whistle, but I can. Okay, so that's one example for you. Let's try next one. It's not working today. I'm not sure why. Okay, now let's try this one. Limit x plus r squared minus 4 over r, where r approaching to 0. Okay, let's start with one thing. What happens if I try to direct substitute? What will I get? I get myself 0 plus okay, you have to forgive me today. This is not x, that's 2. Yeah, my bad. I'm so bad. I'm sorry. I can't. 2. This number 2. Okay, 2. So 2 plus 0 squared minus 4 over 0. I get myself 0 over 0, which is math error. Why? Because you're dividing things by 0. Okay? So we cannot have this situation. Math error. Okay, so if I cannot substitute, if I got math error for x approaching to numbers, what should I do? Factorize or conjugate? What do you think we should do? Should I conjugate? Why don't we conjugate? Because there's no square root, there's no third. So let's try factorize. Okay, but you cannot factorize here straight away. Let's try expand it first. You want to try? Give it a try. Give it a try. I'll give you 1 minute for you to solve. Okay? Go. Okay, so let's try. Get our work done. So if you substitute, firstly we expand. We got ourselves 4 plus 2r plus r squared minus 4. And I can see that as right? Four plus 4r, yeah. Damn, my note is wrong. So you got yourself 4r plus r squared, r limit. What can I do? Can I conjugate? No, I don't. What should I do? I factorize. After factorize, what do? I simplify. Okay, once I reach here, there's nothing else I can do. I substitute R approaching 0. So once you substitute class dengan elok, once you substitute, then only the limit is missing. Once only you substitute, then your uncle lim is missing. Yes, what the heck happened to me? 4 plus 0. It's a 4 PM class, so forgive me. 4, we got 4. Okay? That's easy? Yay! Life is easy, sir. So let's move on to next example. Yes? 4. Just 4. You, the lim is no longer there once you substitute. Once you substitute this 0 here, yep, your uncle lim is gone. You know why I said lim is uncle lim? Because the lecturer here called Lim Hok Guan. Okay, let's move on. Try this example. Okay, what happened if we direct substitute? What do we get? Why? 0/0. You cannot divide things by 0, max error. So how should we do? Factorize or conjugate? Which one should I choose? Why not conjugate? But tak said. Okay, very good. Next question, how do we factorize? Okay, how do I factorize this one? Long division. Do you want to do long division? Okay, I'm going to trust you that you know how to do long division. Okay, what should I do now? You want me to potong or cut them? Okay, I need your help. Can I borrow your scissors? That's why I prefer the word simplify. After long division, yes. Okay, you factorize by long division. Okay, what should I do now? After I simplify, I substitute. And what do we get? 1/4 times 3? Yeah. 12. Booyah, done. Easy? Benda boleh settle. Mudah. Okay, let me try one of my favorite examples that I would like you to give a try. Now, what about if I give you this? On your own. F squared minus 81 over 3 minus f, where f is approaching to 9, the limit. Okay, alright, on your own, I give you 3 minutes. Good luck. Okay, so let's try. Limit. Okay, firstly, what should I do? I conjugate. I saw this thing and I want to conjugate. I conjugate with what? 3 plus third f, 3 plus third f. Okay? Which one should I expand? Up or down? Which one is the conjugating part? Down. Down is the one that caused for me to have this. So which one should I expand? Down, the deno. Are you okay? I expand deno, what will I get? 9 minus third f. Okay, if I did not write this down, if I write down third f minus 9, is it okay? This is wrong. Okay, there's no third. There's just f. My goodness, sir. Sorry. Okay, but then again, up there you should have yourself f squared minus 81. And then you should get yourself another one. 3 plus third f. Once I reach here, am I done? What should I do? What do we want to achieve by conjugate and factorize? I want, okay, sekejap. What the reason why do we factorize, why do we conjugate? To simplify. Can I simplify here? No. I cannot. So that means I need to try factorize this time. Okay, then I look there carefully. I saw f squared minus 81. And I give it a try. I factorize that. I get f plus 9. F minus 9. 3 plus third f. And down there I got myself 9 minus f. Okay, can I simplify? No. Can I simplify f? Can I simplify f minus 9 and 9 minus f? No. They are different. What should I do? The alternatively will be times negative, but I prefer you do it this way. This one here, I want you to factorize the negative out. What does it mean? Negative f minus 9 bracket over there. Are you okay? So they are the same thing. I prefer you do it this way. It looks more intellectual in a way. So f plus 9, f minus 9, 3 plus third f. Lim. What should I do now? Simplify. What and what? Okay, very good. Okay, once you simplify, actually you can substitute straight away. I want to substitute 9. So don't waste your time too much. This one here you got yourself 18. This one here you got yourself 3 plus 3, 6, yeah. And down here there's still negative 1. So what do we get finally? Negative 108. Wow. Is it okay? Do you want me to explain them again? Sure? Kau nak explain angkat tangan? Very good. Next example. Okay, this one is a bit tough, so good luck. Okay, try these two examples, 5 minutes. It's not that easy. Okay, I give you tips. That means you need to make the equalizer deno before you do anything else. Those are quite tough examples. Good luck. Okay, for the first question, you should conjugate with what? This up here. Why this one here? Because there's a square root up there. So the conjugating will be x plus 2 square root plus square root 2x. Okay, which one should I expand? Top or bottom? Top. Why top? Because that's the conjugating part. Okay, so factorizing that, expanding that, I get myself x plus 2 minus 2x. Okay, try finish it from there. Let's leave it there for a while. Let them figure things out. Good luck. Try to figure things out. So if you continue with the first one, you should get yourself limit. This one here you can simplify. You get yourself x, 2 minus x. The bottom part here you need to factorize. You should get yourself x minus 2. And what should you do with the conjugate? Leave it there. What should I do from here? Can I simplify? Can I simplify 2 minus x and x minus 2? What should I do? Factorize the negative. Which one? Either one will be fine. So 2 minus x becomes negative x minus 2. Are you okay? It's similar what we have done just now. So x minus 2, x minus 2. I don't like the word potong because I need scissors. Simplify. So you got yourself minus 1 What should I do from here? Substitute x equals to what? X approaching 2, x equals to 2. Substitute there. Do we still have your Uncle Lim? No more. So this one, Are you okay? Am I too fast? Do you want me to repeat them again? Please raise your hand. Which part? This one. 2 minus x, you okay? 2 minus x atau? X plus 2 minus 2x. X minus 2x. This one here. X plus 2 minus 2x. So I get myself 2 as 2. X minus 2x minus x. Okay? Good. Okay. Are you okay? Okay, now let's try the second examples. The second one is tough. I need to rewrite it. Okay, how should I start this question? My tips will be equalize Dino. Equalizing the Dino, you should get yourself. Okay, well, what's the difference? This guy here, he has this thing. This guy here does not have that thing, but they both have x. Okay, so I should multiply the right side with this lah. So minus 1 plus x square root. Are you guys okay? Okay, what should I do now? Factorize or conjugate? Okay, conjugate which one? Atas or bawah? Top or bottom? Why atas? Why not bawah? We would like to conjugate the top because they have these two things. If the bottom one, it does not have those two things, so the conjugate will be 1 plus x square root 1 plus x square root. Can you try finish it off? I give you 2 minutes. Okay, so let's try. Which one should I expand? Top part. So what do I get? 1 minus 1 plus x x 1 plus x square root remain as it is. Should I expand down here? Nope, you don't have to. And of course your Uncle Lim. Okay, 1 minus 1 plus x. What do I get? This one here, I get myself 1 minus 1 minus x. So minus x, okay? Yelah, minus plus become minus, okay? After conjugate, what should I do? Potong what? Simplify which one? X and x. Okay, after you simplify, then only you can substitute. You should be able to get yourself 1, well, 0, x plus 0, 1 plus 0. Let me try write it down so people get it. Solving this one here will give you 1 plus 1, 2. So final answer? Am I doing it right? I wish so. Yep. Are you okay? So that's your basics. I want to introduce you to two of my favorite examples.